Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to stop notification sound while calling. Let's go. To manage notification sounds while you're on a call, follow these steps carefully. First of all, open the phone app on your device. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice 3 small dots. Tap on these dots to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to proceed. This will take you to the Call Settings page where you can adjust various options related to your phone calls. On the Call Settings page, scroll down until you find an option labeled Call Alerts and Ringtone. Tap on this option to enter a new menu, where you can manage alerts and sound settings for your calls. Within this menu, you'll see a specific option called Notify During Calls. This setting is generally enabled by default, allowing your phone to play notification sounds even while you're in the middle of a call. If you'd like to stop these notification sounds from interrupting your calls, you can easily do so by toggling off this switch. Disabling this option ensures that your conversations won't be disturbed by alarms or notifications, providing a more seamless and uninterrupted calling experience. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you frequently receive notifications while on important calls. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.